I think oil disruption is already upon us, and the proxy conflict is also on. It's all a part of this whole conflict mosaic going on. I believe the resolution of this conflict is the best case scenario. That Israelis should also see the folly of their ways, and they should scale down their initial purported objectives in the interest of peace in the region. United States has to play a very important role because they have to ensure that Israel plays ball with this peace process, and also they offer certain incentives to Iranians which they accept. And Iranians also have to consider that what is that pain threshold that they and their population, that the regime and the population would not cross, and at what point is that continued resistance proving counterproductive, and what is the value of ceasefire and again getting integrated with the global economy. I think it's the call of Iranians and of all the protagonists in this conflict equation. I believe whenever the denouement of this conflict drama takes place, the conflict actor that's going to play as a prima donna is going to be the Iranian. So it's going to be the Iranian call at the end.